Hello everyone, Mel here with Abstract Fitness. A life we can do a full body workout using your body weight, or we can do as well shoulders exercise with using bottles of water. I'm going to give you an option how to make it harder headstand. So grab your mat, let's get started. Let's do squat. I want you to open your legs right here, shoulders down and back, abs are tight. Let's go as slow as you can and slowly come up, contract your glutes. Again, down and up. Try to do between 10, 12, 15 reps. Oh, hi. Good. And up. Another option, if you want to make it more advanced, tippy toes, and then all the way up, down, and on your toes and up. Good. Let's go again for 4, 3, 2 more. And last one. Nice. And slowly release. I'm going to go at the end of my mat. Let's go down, walk out, push up. You're welcome to drop on your knees. Slowly come down, back extension, squeeze, and slowly come back up, plank, and walk back. If you want to make it harder, you're going to go down from your plank, from your toes, right here, back extension, and slowly come up and walk back. Are you ready? Choose your option. Let's go. Back extension, and walk back. I have installed a mat for Riley, but obviously he much prefer being with mommy. He loves being on my mat. Okay, can we do 4 more? Good. 3. 2 more. So try to go very slow, more controlled. Okay, 1 more. And then I'm going to go in lunges. Voila. There we go. And release. Okay, lunge. Let's keep the right leg in front. Left leg at the back. Try to be on your tippy toes. Look straight ahead. You're going to go straight down and straight up. If you want to make it harder, you have access to weight. You know what? Hold one right here or 2 weights down here. Inhale down. Exhale up. Make sure again your abs are tight. Good. 4, 3, and 2, and 2. 1 more. Good. Push forward and slowly release. Let's do shoulders. This is where you're going to need your bottles of water or light weights. You can be lighter on one foot as well if you want to make it harder to practice your balance. Shoulders are down. You're going to lift right here. Another option, if you have very fragile shoulders, you can just lift your elbows. Keep it 90 degrees at your elbow. Harder is here. Okay. Inhale, exhale up, and you're going to keep your shoulders down away from your ears. My more advanced exercise, and I love doing that myself at the gym, you're going to do a headstand. Okay, look down at your hands. Try to bring your feet off the wall. And I'm working with my fingers as well, my wrist. Oh, I've done this one yesterday. I did shoulders yesterday. So try to hold it as long as you can. It brings my heart rate up. Oh, here we go. And release. We're going to go back 2 lunges. This time, keep your left leg in front. You're gonna go straight down, straight up. Inhale to lower. Exhale up. Make sure you're pressing your big toe. It's gonna help you to stabilize. 4, 3, and 2. Good. And push forward and march. Okay, let's go on your back. We're gonna do lunge, not lunges, bridges. But I'm gonna modify it. So we're gonna extend the legs. So bridges like that. And then we're gonna walk and walk and walk and walk and walk and walk. And then bring it back. This is hard, and I did hamstrings today. It was legs day for me at the gym. And then slowly again, try to keep your abs tight. Keeping your butt off the mat. There we go. Now, if you feel you're giving up, I'm going to stop right here. Just come back. Don't hurt yourself. It's not worth it. Again. That's it. I feel the work. So just because we are on our heels as well, we are working way more hamstrings and calves. Okay, I'm going to go for 2 more. And I'm going to go straight back to just bridges. Nice. Last one. Good. And walk back. There we go. And release. Okay, let's go bridge. Up and down. Try to move as a block. So abs are tight. And up. I'm warm here. Exhale. Inhale down. If you want to make it harder, you can cross one leg. You can even bring one leg up, keeping the hips square. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3, 2, 2. Can we stay up? Can we do pulses? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. And slowly release. Feel it in your glutes, feel it in your hamstrings, and you're welcome to bring your knees right here to your chest. I'm going to do a very good exercise for your abs. I'm going to work your transverse abdominis, the one that should be worked. Okay, so I'm going to slightly point my toes, bring the legs together. Bring your hands right here on your thighs, shoulders in contact with the mat. Abs tight to feel your lower back right here in contact with the mat. Pelvic floor up. You're going to bring your knees towards your chest to resist with your hands and then release. Again, bring your knees closer to you and release. And again, inhale, exhale. Good. If you want to make it harder, you're going to do one leg at a time. Go up, release, resist, release. Okay, choose your option. Let's go. So this is a good Pilates one. I love teaching this exercise. You really need to keep your lower back against the mat the entire time. You need to go slow and controlled. 2. Can we do one more side? Good. Nice. And release and knees to chest. I'm going to crunch and I'm going to go on the outside of my leg. Okay? Again, option 1. Abs are tight, pelvic floor up. Inhale, exhale, lift your head, go on the outside of your leg. Let's go up. 2, inhale, exhale, go on the other side. You can also bend your knees. You can also extend the opposite leg and come up, extend, and down. I hope you have started. Just choose your option. Go slow, there's no rush. If you need support for your head, use your hands. You don't need to bring your head up. Good. 4, 3, 2, and last one. Good job. And release and knees to chest. Okay, I like we can turn on our side. We're going to work your outer thigh. And then this is it. That's going to be your last exercise. So rest your head. You can have a bent leg for bigger support. And I'm just going to lift the leg nice and slow. I want to see the front of your hip flat. Make it harder. Your body is in straight line. Okay, so let's go. Flex your foot. I want to work a little bit more here. Good. Now, if you have problem or it's too hard for your hip, probably because your hip is too tight, you're going to need to roll yourself with a tennis ball right in your bed, this hip. 4, 3, and 2. Can we do pulses? Little. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and release, massage your hip. We have 2 legs. Let's switch it up. Same thing right here. Support your head, bigger base of support, or legs together. Abs are tight. Ready? Let's go. Slowly up, slowly down. Now, if you go in front, see, this is it. You can go so high. So make sure the hip is flat. Inhale. Exhale up against gravity. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. Good job. Last one. That's it. And release. Did I forget the pulses? I did. Let's go. And 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Good job. Now you can release. And then we're going to sit on the mat. That was your first set. Now, I'm going to stop right here. But if you want a second set, because you're going to feel it more, just start this video right from the top. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want more videos of this style, please go on my website. I have plenty. www.abstractfitness.ca. See you soon.